Hi there, in this video I'll show you how you can create content at scale. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First thing you need to do, install Foreplay. Foreplay is probably going to be the most important thing when you research and create content. Simply because without it, it's a lot harder to find what works. It's a lot harder to find ideas and stuff like that. So let's get right into it. This is Foreplay. What you need to do, there is a Chrome extension as well that you need to install so you can save ads from other brands. And yeah, let's say that you sell gym clothes for the purpose of this video, and we're going to be researching other brands. So you need to create a folder, and you can see I've already done one, content at scale. And to look for ads, what you need to do is go to discovery. What you can do is go to brands, and you can search for different brands. For example, let's say we can do Gymshark. There you go. And here you can see a ton of ads by Gymshark. Also, when you install the Chrome extension, if you log into someone's ad library, you'll be able to see this button here, Save to Foreplay, which is going to allow you to save ads directly to Foreplay. Let's save a couple of ads from here as well. So you go to the Facebook ad library. Now, if you're in the States and you want to see ads in English, as you can see, these are, I believe, in German. So what you need to do, just hit here, O, and look for United States. Sometimes it's not gonna change, so what you need to do then is go to the URL here on top, and where you see country equals O, you just highlight O and you change to US. You hit enter, and now it's gonna show you ads only running in the United States. Now, when you're producing and planning content, you don't need to do only video ads. Single image ads are also working really well, so you can do them as well. So let's say, for example, you really like this ad. You're just gonna hit on the drop down, look for your folder, hit on the folder, just click outside, save to content at scale, and that's it. Then you go through other ads, and you're gonna start saving what you like. You can watch the videos and stuff like that. This is a very basic way to look for ads and to save them. Foreplay is where the game changes. Let's add some filters here. We want to see only video ads. We don't care if they're on or off, so that's fine. And let's see only on Instagram and Facebook. We don't want to see TikTok. And now you have all of these different ads. Now this is something really important. You can see these 4 ads are exactly the same, but they're either running to 4 different audiences, or they have different hooks or different call to actions. Now remember this, and we're gonna get to it a bit later. So what Foreplay is gonna allow us to do, check off these ads. You can also click here, and it's going to give you a bunch of different information. For example, you can see they created this ad on the 19th of January, which is 3 days ago. It's still running. They're running this ad on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. This is the landing page. What's the aspect ratio? How long they talk about the product category, target market, and you can also click view full AI analysis. So their AI analysis will show you that they are looking for engagement, targeting esteem, and empowerment. And the way you can save it is just clicking on the drop down, looking for your folder, clicking away, it's already saved there. And this way you can save a ton of ads. But something really important to look for. Let's see if we can look for longest running. So you're gonna sort the ads by longest running. Let's check this ad, for example. You can see this ad has been running from 26th of December 2023 until 18th of October 2024. That's almost 300 days, almost a whole year. If a brand is running an ad for 300 days straight, it means that the ad is doing well and is generating sales. So you need to be looking for ads like this and doing something similar. And then you can also see video, it's been running on Instagram, aspect ratio, etc, etc. So this is a good ad. We're gonna save it at content at scale, and we move forward. We start looking at other ads. So let's say this one here. Again, this one has been running for 240 days. You're gonna save it again. And then after you save, let's say 10, 20 ads, you're gonna go through all the ads, watch them, and start creating similar ads. To help you keep track of everything, you can create something like this. This year we actually introduced content creation for clients. So this is how we keep track of everything. So for example, let's say you really like this ad here, and you're gonna create a couple of examples. This is our first round of creating content. Concept, you're gonna explain the concept here. For example, let's say unboxing then you're gonna type if there's a specific style of unboxing, how many versions you have created, and here it's very important that you create more than one versions. I would recommend at least 2 to 3 different versions. So let's say the creator is doing an unboxing video, and what you can do is to test the first couple of seconds, so the hook, because the hook is the most important thing of the video. Without a proper hook, people will not be hooked to watch the actual video. So this is the first thing that you need to test, and you can keep the rest of the video the same, but the first 3 seconds different. So you can start with a question, you can start with a statement, you can start with that you're starting a sale, for example. You can test all of these different hooks, and by analyzing data and by seeing which hook gets people to watch more of the video. Then after you test different hooks and you find what works and what doesn't, then you can test with the same video, you can test different call to actions in the end. So you tell them simply shop now or visit our website, or you can say something along the lines shop now and take advantage of our 50% sale, stuff like that. You need to test what works in the end as well as what works in the beginning. And to track what ads you are testing, you can just simply open the folder with the ads, click on the copy share link and paste it here. You can also select what's the creative type, is it UGC, static, GIF, mashup, etc, etc, and what's the status, client review, ready to launch, launched, or in production. And here you can add the date that it was delivered. And that's about it. You just need to do a lot of research, you need to create a lot of content, and you need to test. Without testing, it's not gonna work. Don't give up if your first couple of videos don't work, or the first couple of static images, and also don't get attached emotionally to the content that you create. Because I have seen businesses that spent, let's say, a lot of hours creating different videos, and then those videos don't work and they still continue to want to run them even though they don't perform. So don't be one of those guys. And yeah, I hope you found value in this. If you need our help with all of this, there's gonna be a link in the description below where you can book a call with me so we can see if we can help you, if we're the right fit for each other. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact me. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Bye.